Hello guys, in this video I'll walk you through step-by-step process of changing your YouTube channel name. To start, you click on Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Then in the address bar you type youtube.com to assign to YouTube portal. Then click on sign in. Then type your email and password to log in to your YouTube channel portal. After that, click on profile icon and click on your channel. Click on customize channel. Click on basic info. Then click on the channel by clicking the pencil icon beside the channel name. Then type in your channel name. And again, you can also click on profile icon in the right top corner of your screen. Then click on YouTube Studio. Click on customization. Then click on basic info. Then click edit channel. Clicking the pencil icon beside the channel name. Then input the channel name you desire. Let's take techped.net is my channel name. After that, click on publish to publish the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. Find more information on how to change your channel name in the description below. Click on